Hello, I'm KartWrenchLabs and I live in South Korea. I work as an automotive mechanic, servicing both Korean and imported cars. I have a deep curiosity for machines and engines. I especially enjoy building and tuning go-karts and small vehicles. I love experimenting with various parts and technologies. On this channel, I share every step of the process building, repairing, and testing my projects. There may be failures along the way, but I want to share the experience and fun that comes from learning through them. I also like to explore creative solutions, share tips and tricks, and explain the why behind what I do. My goal is for anyone to learn something new and feel inspired. Whether you're interested in cars, engines, machines, or DIY projects, I hope this channel provides both useful and entertaining content. I aim to create a community where we can learn together, celebrate successes, and even laugh at the mistakes along the way. Through KartWrenchLabs, I plan to showcase a variety of projects and experiments. From small builds to complex modifications, we will grow and improve together. And here's something to look forward to coming up soon. I'll be building a go-kart using parts purchased from AliExpress. I'll take you through the entire process, selecting the components, assembling the frame, installing the engine, tuning the performance, and testing it on the track. Along the way, I'll share tips, tricks, and insights I've learned from years of working with engines and machines. This way, you can follow along or even try your own projects. Thank you for your interest, support, and curiosity. Let's explore the world of machines together and enjoy the journey of building something amazing from scratch.